Man, that was deep. Let me show you. Good morning and welcome to the second day. So yesterday we checked into this place. It's a cute little room out here, and we had some dinner, some fun, and then it was really cold. So now I'm gonna show you. Our room is a little messy. I'm gonna show you how it looks outside. Okay, this is the second day, and here we go out. That's it. That's the river. So that's the beauty of this place, and I just went to that near side riverside. That riverside was amazing, and I'll take you there. And today we will decide what to do, and then I'll catch up with you guys. Maybe we'll go to another trek called Sat Tal. I still don't know the name, so just keep watching. So we are off for breakfast now, so you can have a view now. That's the river, that's our guest house, GMVN. And the bikes, you cannot take the bikes down here, so you have the steps here. You cannot get the bikes in case you're coming in future. Car cannot come here, you have to park it outside. Our bikes are parked here, so I'll just show you. So it's a narrow lane. It's a narrow lane that leads out, and just have a look out there. It's so mesmerizing, beautiful. This warmth of the sun. It's really like, it doesn't feel so cold. And I had a cold shower. I mean, I don't like using hot water, so it was almost 0 degrees in the morning, and wherever I try to go, I try to use the normal temperature water, whichever is available, not the geyser one. So it was fun, yeah. First experience here. I have done that in Chakrata, of course, cold water, but this was my first experience here. Like, now the plan is to take a dip in the Bhagirath, and this Bhagirath joins and becomes Ganga at Devprayag. So that's the small lane I'm gonna show you, which leads to the main road, and every person is busy shooting. This is Bhupi Paji shooting with DJ Osmo. Hello. So this road straight goes to the main market, and there we will have some parathas, and it's like I can settle here, forever and ever. It's so beautiful. In case you're planning to come to GMVN and you need to get a car, you need to park it here. So this road is small one, like 200-300 meters. Bikes are also parked here, and this is the area to park the cars. Now you can have a look at the board at altitude and the longitude, latitude. So we are at 2620. So this is a small restaurant out here called Harshila Restaurant. Serves amazing momos and soup. Let me show you. Now this place doesn't have parathas, so I'm going to a different place that's next to this, called Lucky Dhaba, which serves parathas and parathas and parathas. I'll show you. And they serve some dal also. I'll just show you. Breakfast, lunch. That's a small dhaba. यही खा लेते हैं. चाय भी बना दीजिएगा एक फिर. So that's the paneer paratha. हाँ जी. Nice pranthas, amazing tea, amazing. So just finished with pranthas. You should come to this place, Lucky Dhaba. Um, really nice lady, homely environment, like, and the uncle also. So the pranthas were good, even the tea. Now I'm going back to catch up with my buddies who must be having some momos, I guess. So in case if you come here, this peak is called, क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Lama Teak. ये बता रहे हमें Lama Teak है. This is 1.5 kilometers trek up. From there you'll get the whole view of Harshil and even Denali. And then there is a village out there. उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Chimoli. नहीं, इसको बोलते हैं Chimoli. Chimoli तो बोला ना. So I'm just forgetting the name. Even he can't guess it. So this is another one, small village. And then there is Sat Tal, which is 3 kil. Hanji? Cholmi Gaon. Cholmi village. This is Cholmi village. Okay. And then you have Sat Tal. Sat Tal is basically you need to drive 3 kilometers to Denali. Park your vehicle. 4 kilometers up trek. There are 7 tals out there. And we are expecting that we'll find snow out there. So that is one more. And then there is Panchmukhi Maheshwar, I guess, temple. It's a trek, Shivji temple. So there is a lot of trek. If you're coming here, I guess we're running short of time, but 5 to 7 days. Even there is Kedar Tal, I know, which takes time. And then you can go up to Gangotri. Then you have a trek to Gomukh, from where actually the glacier of Ganga glacier is there, which I don't know if it's open right now, and it's not feasible for us because of the time constriction. So yeah, that's it. If you need any more info, please comment down and I'll try to answer you guys. So we have decided that we are going to Sat Tal now, and 3 kilometers of bike journey, 4 kilometers we're gonna trek up. Let's see how much we can manage. So it said that there are 7 tals. Maximum people could find us 5. It's kind of a lake of water, you know, like it's a pond, I would say. So maximum, as one of the guys told me, is that if someone is lucky, then only he can find all the 7, otherwise normally 5. And it said that they also told that there is nothing to eat out there, and you have to carry your own stuff. And now we are getting ready. I'm waiting for the buddies, and I'm gonna take my Enfield, park it there, and let's see. So this is my tank bag, what I'm taking, and I have all the gadgets here, all the cameras, all the gimbal, everything. So let's roll. So we are here. This is Dharali. In case you're coming to Harshil, 3 kilometers, go towards this side, the Gangotri side, and this is Dharali, a small village. That's a village called where the Doli is. So if I show you where the Doli stays for 6 months, basically Gangotri is, you know, closed right now. So from there, Gangotri, it stays there. Tomorrow we'll be going there. Right now we're going to this Sat Tal. So what you can do if you're coming here is you can park your bike here. I'll just show you, and then you trek up 4 kilometers. I'll just show you. So that's where we have parked the bikes, and we're gonna go up from here. One thing you should keep in mind is not to wear these boots.
ये मुझे फालतू में लेके आए हैं हैं?
He's wearing biking boots, racing biking boots, and he's doing a trek. So the first person
कि ट्रैक पे जाना है.
First person who will do this trek with these boots. On the way, small little huts being formed. Witnessing the snow. Just have a look. It's frozen. Yeah. And there. Wow. Oh my god, it's slippery. So we are here and taking first break. No, first. So that's the view. And
I guess we have done 1 kilometers.
500 meters at most. So I don't know how many kilometers we have done, but we're going. Battery 58%, 2 hours 52 minutes still recording left. And I have another memory card and 2 more battery packs, so thanks to Sudhanshu, he gave me his battery packs. The wind is very cold, but inside the body is warm, so I've taken off my jacket. And I can see these are beautiful pine and deodar trees, and this is so like silent, no one is here, and I can see some snow ahead. Let me show you. Snow, let me show you. Oh my god, beautiful. Beautiful. And those are the mountain peaks. Guys, have a look at this. Wow. Clear blue skies and white peak, snow-clad mountains. Amazing. Okay, so we are here and we were just resting. I don't know how many kilometers or meters we have done, but what? Slow and steady wins the race. So
steady, thakawat and steady.
but the fact is that 2 of the people needs to go back. They don't really want to go up. They're tired. And we both, Arpit and me, we are still going up a little bit. We'll see how much we can go. So yeah, okay Paji. Have a look. So that's a beautiful view. Maybe there's a skiing spot also up there. Wow, we are at such great height. That's the first tal, so we have made it. We just got to know that other tals basically have dried up. I think 3 are there at different locations, but I'm so happy we finally made it. And maybe let's see, we'll go ahead also. But yeah, let me show you again. Let me show you. And if you can see, there is a house out there. Bhobi Paji, we miss you, and sweet sir.
Within कितने में कितने लोग हैं आप? ताज़ी है।
फिसल रहा हूँ मैं तो।
अरे जमीन नहीं है, ताज़ी है। ये देख रहे हो?
Just have a look, guys. So it's so deep. You can imagine. I can put my whole foot down. Ha. Oh. My foot went inside. Oh my god. So you can see the first tal here. We are at height now. That's the first tal. Snow and snow covered mountain out there. We are walking up now. It's all snowy here, very slippery. Need to be careful. Okay, so new battery, and we are here. We are still hiking up. A few of the people who were coming from up there, they told that the hike is still 15 minutes away, the second tal, and that tal is all covered with algae and grass. Still we are going there. The third one, they said it's not worth because it's very small. So even the second, they said is not that worth, but we are going up there to see. So 15 minutes up there. Third we'll see if we have time, and let's hike up.
जो यूज़फुल है ना ट्रैकिंग के लिए।
Oh, I just slipped. More slippery. Oh, I slipped. I just slipped. I just slipped. That's the part. Okay. It's very slippery and my both hands are full. So we are almost reaching second, I guess. Arpit is saying we are almost there. Let me see. Wow, just have a look. We are almost just below the peak, the snow-clad peak. Oh, this is the second one? No. So as I told you, these people told me, second one is all dried up, all dried up. But still, I would say even if you're trekking up here, the beauty, it's worth seeing. It's worth seeing. You should come here. And I think if you're planning, what all you need to carry. Oh wait, let me show you this. I'll tell you that later on. See this peak. Wow. So we are at the top here, and second tal done, as I showed you. So just imagine this whole thing out there. It's a whole snow covered peak, and the snow is coming from up there till down. I mean, right now I'm just thinking, like, you know, if there's a glacier thing, you know, boom, like they show in the TV and movies, it's exactly the same mountain, exactly. So if something comes from there, it's like boom, it's gonna come down. And that's another mountain. I don't know the name of the peaks here. That's another one. So we are actually surrounded by snow all across, all across. And me and Arpit made it to this place. Okay, regarding if you guys are coming here for the first time, 7th Tal, now it's March, mid of March, so you just need to check the weather. The weather forecast was showing that it will have snowfall, but we didn't experience any snowfall, as these people say that here the weather can change any moment because it's a kind of a valley, you know. So what all do you need to get in case you're planning? Water, the most essential thing. There is some water supply natural if you're okay with that, but it's at almost 1.5 kilometers up. So you need to carry around 1 or 2 bottles per person, at least one minimum. Sunglasses, I didn't use them, but you should carry. Then what else? Sunscreen lotion. And regarding eating, you know, you don't have any place here that you'll find any food, so you can just carry some sugar candies or some chocolates for energy. Otherwise you don't need anything. I carried a jacket. Right now I'm just wearing this thin one. It's not cold, it's not cold at all. I don't feel the cold because the body is so warm. So if you can carry something light jacket, like I'm carrying a -10 degrees by Decathlon, and it's pretty heavy to carry, so I was literally tired. A backpack would be good, easy on your shoulder. Sunglasses, sunscreen, and water. And what else? Garbage bag, yeah, because I saw some people, you know, have literally thrown cold drink bottles, 2 liters, and that shouldn't be done here. And yeah, main is shoes, as Arpit is saying. You need to have proper shoes with grip. I'm just using Asics. This is 360 Quanto. This survived. I mean, you don't need proper hiking, like, you know, trekking shoes, but a good grip and a comfortable one. So we are heading back now. It was all in all good hike, good trek, very peaceful. Just please guys, don't do this next time. If you are doing it, please have the courtesy to take it back. This is not your dad's place that you can throw your, you know, stuff around. And I'll show you one more. Just hold on.
A water bottle also.
Yeah, I'll show you. I mean, it's not your home, it's not your mama's bedroom that you're gonna throw all this here. Whoever has thrown this, please keep that in mind, okay? Just have this. It's all peaceful here. It's all nature. It's all so fresh air. Oh, he's throwing snowballs on me. So as I'm saying, it's peaceful, it's very pure air. Please, as it is, let it be. Let the mother nature rest as it is. Please don't spoil it. It's my humble request to you. And if you like doing all that, please stay at home. Okay, I'm gonna show you the tal from here. That's dried up, okay? That's the thing.
Not dried up,
Kind of.
covered.
With algae and a little bit less water. So we are going downhill now. It's a snowy way. Guys saying to go from there, but we chose the snow path. Okay. Let's slip. Boom, boom. Let's
Jump.
keep a hand there, and here, and here, Here.
masala.
This is used in color.
Color, garam masala.
This thing.
In biryani also.
Biryani. This thing. Color. Oh, let's follow him. Let's follow him. Getting down is way easier than getting up. Okay. Quite a steep turn. Okay. So now we are going with a localite. He's a forester here. And little stream. You'll find on the way some patches of snow. By April, of course, it'll dry up. So maybe if you come in Jan, Feb, March, it's good. And you can have a look down the hill. So guys, if you have any questions regarding this trek, I mean, you can just comment down. And this is our second day, so first video will be up before this. That will be the bike trip from Dehradun to Harshil, how we did it. And today is this. I am planning to go near the river today and meditate, and then we will be going tomorrow to Gangotri, and then we'll do the darshan. And also there's a famous Pandav cave which will be in the next video. Okay, so do watch that also. So almost touched first tal now. That's the view, and that's the snow. I'll show you. That's the first tal. This is some wet. This is still looks fresh. So if you see the difference, this is slippery. Now this is not slippery, you know, this goes in, right? This is slippery. See, that's the difference. So you need to keep that in mind if you're taking the snow path. I love taking snow path. So the shoes, as I told you, has to have really nice grip. Man, that was deep. Let me show you. That's so deep. Yeah. So we took a little off track. Rather than going back, we saw a beautiful mountain, and we are going to that place. Just have a look. So no trees here, clear view of the mountain there. So almost climbing down, and trust me guys, when we were climbing up, we're stopping, you know, every few meters, and now it feels like we climbed really high, like we're going down and doesn't finish. So I think it's at very great height. I mean, if you see, we've been going down continuously, and still, if you can see, it's very down. Okay. So these are all apple trees, all dried up. Season will start soon. If you can say these are rotten ones, I'll show you there. So it took more time than expected. We didn't stop, but still it took time. So almost touched the base. As you can see, bike is parked down below, and then we'll ride back to the guest house. Amazing trek. Time is 4:12, 12 past 4. We reached by evening, so almost I think we took 5 hours. If you have any questions regarding this trek, regarding anything, please mention in the comment section. I'll try to answer. And now we are heading back. That's my bike parked here. So guys, I hope you will like this. Now we'll go back, and I'll be meditating near the river Bhagirathi, and then maybe we'll see what we do in the evening. Ciao, bye, namaste.